Morning, children. I had told you people to keep 200 pages for the classwork and 100 pages for your homework, isn't it? And in the classwork, I had told you people, the first page, you're going to write symbols of elements. I had very clearly told you people to write symbols of elements in classwork and as well as homework. Okay, and this symbols of elements should also be there in your classwork. First, these symbols of elements only should be there. I hope you got it. Then you have to write the notes on materials, metals and non-metals. And they have uploaded even the question answers of other lessons also. Please don't write. Okay, you are going to now, at this time, you are only going to write your notes on materials, metals and non-metals. Very clearly I am telling, please don't write notes on other lessons. I hope you got it. Okay, you're going to keep 200 pages notebook for classwork. Okay, in that only you divide the book into two parts. One part you will write chemistry, the other part you will write biology, which one I have told you. Okay, now in chemistry part, first page, you're going to write symbols of elements, which I have given in the first class. I hope you got it. Okay, I told the same thing you people to write it even in homework. Okay, and please you write the whatever notes is uploaded. Okay, in that you write only materials, metals and non-metals lesson notes only. Okay, though if even the notes of other lessons are uploaded, but please don't write unless I tell you people to write the notes of that lesson. Please don't write till that. Okay, I hope you understood. And now we will start with the lesson. See here, for this here, people have to know to write the chemical reactions and equations. Okay, so this class I will be telling you in this class you'll be learning to write the name of the compounds. Chemical formula will be is there, means how will you write the name of those compounds? Okay. First, yes, first, carbonates. CO3. First one, CaCO3. Chemical formula, if it is given, okay, how will you write the chemical name of the compounds? If chemical formula is given, okay, how will you write the name of the compounds? This now we will study. Okay, what is the Ca? Ca means calcium. Calcium. CO3 means carbonates. Okay, CO3 means carbonates. Got it? Second one. Zn. Zn means zinc. Zinc. Carbonate. CO3 means carbonate, isn't it? Zinc carbonate. Next. Na2. How will you say this? Na2CO3. How will you read this? Na2CO3. Okay, what is Na? Sodium. Sodium. CO3 is carbonate. Carbonate. I hope you got it. Al2 K2CO3. K2CO3. K means potassium. Potassium. CO3 is carbonate. Got it? MgCO3. Mg means magnesium. Magnesium carbonate. Okay, so always CO3 means carbonate. Sorry, it is not carbonate, it's carbonate. Okay, CO3 means carbonate. CO3 means carbonate. CaCO3 calcium carbonate. ZnCO3 zinc carbonate. Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. K2CO3 potassium carbonate. MgCO3 magnesium carbonate. Next, bicarbonates. HCO3. Yes, only CO3 means carbonate. Okay, HCO3 means bicarbonate. If hydrogen is included, then it is bicarbonate. Okay, for example, NaHCO3. Can you NaH? Na means sodium. HCO3. HCO3 means bicarbonates. So sodium bicarbonate. Got it? Now, second one. Okay, Zn. How will you read this? You should know this. Zn. HCO3, 2 is there, no? HCO3 twice. How will you read this? Zn HCO3 twice. Okay. So Zn means zinc. Right? HCO3 is there. So it is bicarbonate. Got it? Ca. How will you read this? CaHCO3 twice. Calcium. Ca means calcium. Calcium bicarbonate. Mg, how will you read this? MgHCO3 twice. MgHCO3 twice. Mg is magnesium bicarbonate. You people should take this in your rough note. Okay, whatever I write on the board, okay, please take down that in your rough note. I have told you to people to keep separate rough note for chemistry and bio. Whatever I write on the board, you are going to copy that, okay, and learn that. Okay. So NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Okay, ZnHCO3 twice, zinc bicarbonate. CaHCO3 twice, calcium bicarbonate. Okay. MgHCO3 twice, magnesium bicarbonate. I hope you got it. Don't now, right now, you people don't worry about the chemical formulas. These are called as chemical formulas. These are the name of the compounds. These are called as the chemical formulas. These are called as the name of the compounds. Okay, right now you people don't worry how to write the chemical formula. This one you will have it for the next year. Okay, right now if the chemical formula is given, you people should know to write the name of those compounds. I hope you got it. Okay. Now next we will go to sulfates. First we will learn oxides, then we will come back to other oxides. Okay, first one K2O. How will you read this? K2O. Okay, what is K? Potassium. Potassium oxide, isn't it? Next, Al2O3. How will you read this? Al2O3. Okay, what is the Al? Aluminium. Aluminium oxide, isn't it? ZnO. ZnO. Zinc. Zn means zinc. Zinc oxide. CaO. CaO. Ca is calcium. O means oxide, isn't it? CaO. Ca is calcium. O oxide. Okay. Next. What is this? FeO. Okay. How will you write this FeO? Fe means iron, isn't it? Fe means iron oxide. Right? FeO, iron oxide. Hope you got it. K2O, potassium oxide. As I told, oxides means O. K2O, potassium oxide. Al2O3, aluminium oxide. ZnO, zinc oxide. CaO, calcium oxide. Okay, FeO, Fe means iron, isn't it? Iron oxide. Okay. Next, we learn chlorides. Cl, right? Chlorides is Cl. NaCl. Okay, NaCl means Na is sodium chloride. Sodium, Cl means chloride. Sodium chloride. I hope you got it. Right? AlCl3. AlCl3. Aluminium. Al is aluminium. Aluminium chloride. Right? Aluminium chloride. Next. MgCl3. MgCl3. MgCl2. Mg is magnesium. Isn't it? Cl is chloride. Right? Magnesium chloride. Next. FeCl2. FeCl2. Can you tell what is Fe? Iron. Iron chloride. Iron chloride. Isn't it? Next. Can you tell me this? AgCl. Can you tell me what is AgCl? Ag is silver. Silver chloride. Isn't it? AgCl. Ag is silver chloride. Once we will revise it. Okay. Chloride means Cl. NaCl, sodium chloride. Isn't it? AlCl3, aluminium chloride. MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Okay. FeCl2, iron chloride. AgCl, silver chloride. Okay. Next, we will go to hydroxides. Don't worry about writing the chemical formulas. Okay, if chemical formula is given, you should know how to name the compound. Okay, so naming of the compound you should know this here. Next, hydroxides. OH. Hydroxides is OH, right? Okay. NaOH. Na, how will you read this? NaOH. Na is sodium. Sodium. OH is what? Hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, isn't it? Sodium hydroxide. Next, KOH. KOH. K is what? Potassium. Potassium hydroxide. right? Next, CaOH twice. If bracket is there, CaOH, 2 is there, CaOH twice. Okay, bracket is there, we have to use twice, thrice, like that. CaOH twice. What is Ca? Calcium. Calcium. OH, hydroxide. Right? Next. ZnOH twice, isn't it? Can you tell me ZnOH twice? Zn is zinc. Zinc hydroxide, isn't it? Zinc hydroxide. MgOH twice. Mg is magnesium. Magnesium OH hydroxide. Right? So hydroxide means OH. NaOH sodium hydroxide. KOH potassium hydroxide. CaOH twice calcium hydroxide. ZnOH twice zinc hydroxide. MgOH twice magnesium hydroxide. Next, we'll come to sixth one, sulfates. Sixth one, sulfates. Sulfates is SO4. Sulfates means SO4. Okay, first one. Na2SO4. Na, how will you read this? Na2SO4. Na2 means sodium. SO4 is sulfate. Right? Sodium sulfate. Right? Next. Al2 SO4 thrice. Al2 SO4 thrice. How will you read this? Al2 SO4 thrice. Bracket is there. Use the word thrice. Al2 SO4 thrice. Okay, what is Al? Aluminium. Aluminium sulfate, right? Al, aluminium, SO4 sulfate, aluminium sulfate. What is this? Can you tell? Fe, iron. Iron sulfate, right? Iron sulfate, isn't it? Next. MgSO4. What is this? How will you read this? MgSO4. Mg is magnesium. Right? Magnesium sulfate. SO4 is sulfate. Magnesium sulfate. Isn't it? Can you name this? Okay, what is Ba? have given the name of this element barium. Ba is barium. Ba is barium. Barium. Barium sulfate, isn't it? Next, can you tell me what is this? K2SO4. K2. K means potassium. Potassium sulfate. Isn't it? Potassium sulfate. So once again we revise. Sulfates means SO4. In A2SO4, sodium sulfate. Al2SO4 thrice, aluminium sulfate. FeSO4, iron sulfate. MgSO4, magnesium sulfate. BaSO4, barium sulfate. K2SO4, potassium sulfate. Okay. Now, seventh one. Nitrates. NO3. Nitrates is NO3. Nitrates is NO3. Can you name this? Can you name this KNO3? How will you name K? Potassium. Potassium nitrate. NO3 is nitrate. Isn't it? Second one, Al NO3 thrice. What is this? Al, how will you read this? Al NO3 thrice. What is this? Aluminium. Aluminium nitrate. Aluminium nitrate. Next. NaNO3. Can you name? Sodium nitrate. Sodium nitrate. Isn't it? Can you name this? CaNO3 twice. Bracket is there, no? So twice. CaNO3 twice. Ca is calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate. What is this? Magnesium nitrate. Isn't it? So, nitrate means NO3. KNO3, potassium nitrate. Al, NO3 thrice, aluminium nitrate. Don't worry about how to write the chemical formula. That is not there for you. Okay. You should know to write the name by seeing the formula, chemical form. These are chemical formulas. By seeing the chemical formulas, you should know to write the name of the compound. That's all. Okay. So AlNO3 thrice Al aluminium. NO3 nitrate, aluminium nitrate. NaNO3 sodium nitrate. CaNO3 twice calcium nitrate. MgNO3 twice magnesium nitrate. Okay, did you get it? Last, okay, now we will learn how to write the name of the acids. HCl. Okay, HCl. How will you name the acid? Hydrochloric acid. What is this? Which acid is this? Hydrochloric. This is hydrochloric acid. Isn't it? Next. H2SO4. H2SO4. How will you read this? H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. What it is? Sulfuric acid. Okay. H2SO4. Sulfuric acid. H2SO3. CH2SO3 means sulfurous acid. Sulfurous acid. Okay, H2SO3. 3 is the sulfurous acid. H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid. Did you get it? HSO3. 3 is that. Sulfurous acid. Okay, H2SO4. 4 is that. 4 oxygen atoms. Then sulfuric acid. You should know this difference. H2SO3, sulfurous acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Okay, next. HNO3. Okay, HNO3. Which acid is this? Nitric acid. What it is? HNO3, nitric acid. I hope you got it. HNO3, nitric acid. H2CO3, H2CO3, carbonic acid, right? H2CO3, carbonic acid. Next, last one, H3PO4. Did you get it? H2CO3, carbonic acid. H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Okay, H3PO4, phosphoric acid. Once again, we'll revise. HCl, hydrochloric acid. H2SO4, sulfuric acid. H2SO3, sulfurous acid. HNO3, nitric acid. H2CO3, carbonic acid. H3PO4, phosphoric acid. This name of the acids also you should know. Okay. Name of the acids you should know both the sides. If hydrochloric acid is given, you should know to write HCl also. Okay, sulfuric acid is given, you should know to write H2SO4. Only for the acids, you should know to write the chemical formulas as well as the name of the acids. Okay, if you know both the sides, it is good because this is important. Okay, but those names the compounds, it's okay if you don't know to write the chemical formulas, because in that also steps are there. Okay, so don't worry about these. You need not worry about the chemical formula, but for the acids, you should know to write the name of the acids as well as to write the chemical formula. Okay, now once we will revise them. Once we will revise, first we studied carbonates, isn't it? Carbonates, CO. First we studied carbonates, CO3, carbonates, isn't it? CO3, carbonates. Next, we studied dicarbonates, HCO3 bicarbonates, isn't it? HCO3 bicarbonates. Next, third one, what did we study? Oxides, right? O, oxides, isn't it? Cl, chloride. Next, we studied sulfates, right? Getting OH, hydroxides, isn't it? Next, sulfates, SO4, sulfates, isn't it? Next, NO3, nitrate, isn't it? All together once you write so that you be able to differentiate. Okay, so CO3 carbonate. If hydrogen is included, HCO3 hydrogen H. If hydrogen is included, HCO3 dicarbonate. Okay, O oxide, Cl chloride, OH hydroxide, SO4 sulfate, NO3 nitrate. Okay, you should know this all together once you write so that you'll be able to get it. Okay, and as well as you should know to write the name of the acids. Name of the acids, if chemical formula is given, you should know to write the name of the acids. The name of the acids are given, you should know to write the chemical formula. Both you should know only for acids. Other, okay, don't worry, right now you people don't have how to write the chemical formulas. Only thing is, if chemical formula is given, okay, how to write the name of those compounds, you should know. Okay, please revise this. Okay, first next class, first 10 minutes you will have test on this. This one. Okay, I will give the formula, chemical formula. I give CaCO3. You should know to write calcium carbonate. If AgCl is given, you should know to write silver chloride. Okay, same we discussed now. Okay, so you should know to write the name of the compounds. Next class, first 10 minutes you will have test on this. Okay, then I will continue with the lesson. Okay, I hope you people understood. Okay, I had given you homework last time, isn't it? On symbols of elements. But most of them had not come for correction today, but I want your class works for correction next week. Got it? That's what is for today. Thank you.